Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your first, second, or third Kali Linux 2026. So take notes, I said Kali Linux 2026. So we are talking about this year Kali Linux. So if you're ready, the first thing you need is an app called UTM. So check out this video. I explained how to get the free version because there's also a paid version, except you want the paid version. Okay, so once the installation of the UTM app is complete, you can come back to this video and let's download our first Kali Linux 2026. So the first thing you need to do right now is to head over to your browser and search for Kali 2026. Just search for Kali 2026. It's going to give you the official page. So this is the official page. I love getting things like this on the official page because I think it's safe to download. Other websites are there that can give you the legit file, but I just prefer getting it from the official website. So this is it. Okay, so this is a bit different from what I used to get, but this is more like a blog, so you don't need this, okay? Let's go back and search for Kali Linux ARM64, okay? All right, we have it here. So what we need is an installer images. We don't need virtual machines. We don't need ARM. We don't need other things here. What we need is this installer images. So click on it, scroll down. Now I need to be very clear on something. If you're using a MacBook that is not M1, M2, M3, or M4, you should download this one. This x86 underscore 64, you should download it. But if you're using a MacBook that is M1, M2, M3, or M4, you should download this Apple Silicon ARM64. This one is for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be downloading this one to show you how to set up your first or second, third Kali Linux 2026. So you click on this one. We need the installer image. You click on it, download. It's about 3.6. So just click on it, download it. So as you can see, it's downloading. Now, once the download is complete, you head over to your newly downloaded UTM app. It's going to look like this. Okay, forget about this. You're not going to have this. What I have here is a virtual machine, a Windows server here, and a Windows 11 Pro machine here. So you are not going to be having this because you've not installed it yet. So what you're going to be seeing is this: welcome to UTM. So click on create a new virtual machine. So click on virtualize. We are not going to be selecting any of these. We are supposed to select Linux because Kali is a Linux operating system. So we are not going to be selecting this, but we are going to do it the easy way. Okay, let's select Linux. Okay, give it 4 CPU cores. I love giving it 4 because I want a better performance. You leave this the way it is. Don't enable it. Continue. You leave this the way it is. You can browse the image here. Select your newly downloaded file, the Kali Linux file. Open it. Continue. The storage size is 64, which is very good, but you can as well reduce it if you want to. Continue. Now, the storage size is going to depend on what you have on your operating system, your Mac operating system. So before installing this, you should go to your storage size to confirm how many you have left. So shared directory, I'm not going to be adding anything here, but if you want to, you can add it. Shared directory allows you to share folders or files between two operating systems very easily. So I'm not going to be doing this. Continue. Check the box, open VM settings. Now, there is a recent bug in this Kali Linux 2026 that is making the display not to be activated. So we are going to do something very quick here that's going to make us to have the GUI, which is graphical user interface. Scroll down to where you have devices, click on display. We are going to remove this, but later we are going to add it. So for now, we are going to remove it. Now click on new, add serial, save, and click the play button. So use your arrow key on your keyboard to get to the graphical install parts and click enter. the host name of this operating system. Okay, let's leave it like this, Kali. Use the drop down button or use the arrow key button on your keyboard and get to where you have continue and press enter. Domain name, we don't have it, so we are going to skip this. Full name of the user. Okay, I'm gonna enter something like LDSRM. Use the arrow key to get to where you have continue and enter. Username for your account. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm just showing you how to set it up. So continue. You can change the username for the account to whatever you want to. Make sure that you remember all the usernames and the passwords because you are going to use it during logins. So choose the correct password for your user. Enter password. Select a time zone. Okay, I'm going to select the first one. You can select your own time zone, please. Don't select the one I'm selecting, except you are in the United States. So partition disks, we are going to use entire disks. Press enter, press enter, press enter again, press enter to confirm. Use your arrow key to get to where you have yes and press enter. Choose software to install. So use your arrow key to get to the second one, Kali's default desktop environments, and press enter. So this might take a while. So I'm going to skip this part. Okay. You're just going to be patient for it to get to 100%. I'm going to be skipping it because I don't want this video to be too long. All right. Our installation is complete. So let's continue. Finishing the installation. Okay. What do we have here? A blank screen. You see the problem now? It's taking us back to where we've already done the necessary thing. But don't worry because we are going to sort this out. Okay. So let's power off this operating system and go back to where we have our settings. So click on the settings right here. Come to where you have drives. I'm going to show you something real quick here. This is the Kali Linux drive. That is why you see that it took us back to where we've already done the necessary thing. Okay, but we don't need this drive to be the first. Now take a look at the second drive UTM created. This tells us that our Kali Linux operating system is here. So we need to put this drive to be the first, and we need to put this what I want to be the second. So this is very good like this. Save and click the play button again. Take note of what happens. It's not going to show install. Okay, that's a very big difference. So what we just installed is a command line interface Kali Linux, which is not what we want. We need a graphical user interface. So we need to change this, okay? Power of the PC again. Let's go back to that settings. Now I could have just done this in a very easy way, but I want us to see the practical steps. I want us to see it so that whenever we encounter it, we know that, okay, this is how it is. This is why I did this. Okay, I would have just done everything here, but I didn't want it to like do the settings. So go back again to your settings, come to where you have devices. You're going to take out this serial, remove it, click new and add display. Okay. Remember we took out this display earlier because we wanted it to allow us to install the Kali Linux. Now we've installed the Kali Linux and it's giving us a CLI, which is a command line interface. We don't need that. Okay. We need a GUI, which is a graphical user interface. So we've added our display device and click save. Click the play button. Take note of what happens this time. Can you see? There's a lot of change and it's gonna boot into the Kali Linux graphical user interface. So this is it. We're going to test our password to log in just to see how it is so that you can compare the difference between the 2026 and the 2025. From here, you can tell that it's a very big difference. So I'm going to enter my username, LDSRM, my password. So you can see everything works very well. Let's go to the terminal to see the name. So let me just type something like, who am I? LDSRM. It works very well. And now you have your Kali Linux 2026 ready to use. So if you've learned something, guys, don't forget to like and to subscribe to my new channel so that you'll not miss out future tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching Tech with More.